Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through manual installation of the UserWay widget on your Drupal8 site. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the home page. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add your new site to your list and it will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign in to your UserWay dashboard at userway.org, go to the top right menu, find My Embed Script, and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in Drupal. I'm in the Drupal admin. Let's install the UserWay widget. This tutorial will only work for Drupal8. We're working on compatibility for newer versions. On the top left, below the mini top nav, there's an additional tab nav. Click on Structure. Scroll down and click on Block Layout. It should be the first item on the list. Under the Block Layout page title, you will see two tabs, Block Layout and Custom Block Library. Click on Custom Block Library. Scroll down and click on the Add Custom Block button. In the block description text field, type UserWay. Inside the body text editor field, first click below in the text format dropdown. Select Full HTML. Scroll up and click on Source. Then paste the code inside the editor field. Now, remember to click on the Save button. Clicking Save will jump you right back up to the top of the page. You'll see a confirmation message. At the top of the page, you'll now click on the Block Layout tab. Scroll all the way down until you see Footer 5th, or the footer you're using. Click on the Place Block button near the Footer 5th text. If you don't immediately see the UserWay block you have just created, use the search bar. Click on the Place Block button. You're now in the Configure Block window. Deselect Display Title, then click on the Save Block button. Then click on the Save Blocks button again on the bottom left. You're all set. Preview your Drupal site to make sure you've installed the UserWay widget correctly. At this point, if you'd like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly through your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.